Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the watch and getting straight into settings. Open the app menu and tap Display. Once done, make sure Bluetooth on your phone is active if you plan to transfer images. You don't need the companion app yet, but pairing helps for custom photos. Tap Wallpaper or Watch Face and choose Change. You're now at the first actionable screen. Select either Built-in, Gallery, or Remote to continue. This step primes the device, so the next actions are fast and reliable. You'll now pick or upload the image. If you choose Gallery, tap Add Photo and select from Synced Photos. If using the companion app, open Watch Face's right arrow Upload. Once chosen, crop the image to the watch's aspect ratio. Many models prefer 16:9 or square, and adjust brightness so icons remain visible. Make sure to preview, touch Save or Apply when satisfied. You're moving from selection to preparation, ensuring the image fits and won't obscure essential status. Apply the wallpaper and verify it appears on the home screen. You may need to confirm on the watch itself. Once set, make sure to check legibility of time and icons, adjust brightness, or pick a simpler image if elements overlap. If the wallpaper doesn't update, restart the watch, then resync through the companion app. This resolves most transfer errors. If problems continue, clear cached watch faces and try a different file format, because incompatible files sometimes fail to render properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.